在山东八斗镇的老街上，有一座始建于明朝的老宅，这是明朝帝师王让的故居。几百年过去了，宅院的房檐屋角间还依稀能看出当年屋主人崇高的地位。王让曾官至明代吏部右侍郎，贵为帝师，但在八斗人的口耳相传中，更多的是他作为孝子的孝义故事。
因为人家他母亲去世，按我们当地那个习俗，要守墓3年。
Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today we'll be presenting a Python-based tool for real-time transcription and translation of live video streams. So if we have a live video like this one and we want to watch it in a specified language like English or French or Spanish, this tool allows us to do that. And this is done through 3 steps. First, we will use a Streamlink. We'll use Streamlink. This is a Python library that allows us to download the video and save it to a video.mp4 file that will be used in the second step using deep learning AI models. Basically, they are speech to text. We give them audio and they give us the captions, and we will save them to a caption.srt file. And the last step, we will use a media player, more precisely the media player classic black edition with the caption and the video, so we can see them in real time. Now, before using this tool, we need to do some installations. First is to install Streamlink library, and this can be done easily. If you already have Python installed, you need just to use the pip install Streamlink command. If you don't have Python, you have to install it because everything here is based on Python. So once you install Streamlink using the pip command, we can use it by the cmd Streamlink, and for example, we can run it on that video. So here you put the link, and then it will fetch and give you the available quality. So we can select the best quality, then save the output into a video.mp4. So for example here, we can see the video.mp4 that we can play right now. So this is how Streamlink works. Now this is the first step, is installing Streamlink to be able to download the live stream. The second step is the transcriber and the translator. These are also based on Python. So here there are two ways. Either we use that tool using a Python environment, so we can install a Python environment using the VNV and install those dependencies using the command given here. Then we can run the transcriber and the player using the Python executable inside that local environment, and you can download this file using the git clone or the download.zip. An alternative way is to download executables. So I've already used that step and exported the tool as executables for Windows, so you can download them here in the release. So there are 2 versions, one that runs only on CPU and it is lightweight, and another one that runs both on CPU and GPU, and it is 1.5 gigabyte, but it is very fast compared to the CPU only version. So I recommend to go for the GPU if you have a GPU. So once downloaded, here you have the archive RAR. You extract it, and these are the files. So here there is the transcriber, the player, and their configurations, and here are all the dependencies that allow us to use these tools. So before running this tool, we need to install a media player. So here I have tried many media player like VLC, KQ player, Windows media player, but none of them works for that purpose, but that one worked perfectly. So I recommend you to download it using that link. You can download it and install it, and once installed you can use it and do a configuration. So you go to view, options, then player, keys, and you look for reload caption, reload subtitles, and you assign this key. So you press Ctrl Alt R Shift at the same time, and you press apply. And this is very important because when we are going to play, the captions are updated each 30 seconds or 20 seconds, so they need to be reloaded to be up to date when watching the video with the captions. So that was for the installation of the Streamlink and the executables and the player. Now we move to the last step, which is configuration. Here there are two configuration files as seen here. They are the player and the transcriber. So the player, there are three things to specify. First, the path of the player executable. So you go to here and you specify open file, then open file, and you have to give the path of that executable. So you copy that one and you add the name, and you should get something like that. Then you specify the video that will be used and the caption. All the configurations are explained here, and you can change it as you want. I don't recommend changing these settings. Here you specify whether you want to translate or not, and which language to translate to. Is it English or what language you want to translate to. Then you select the video that is downloaded using the Streamlink and where to save the captions. Here you can specify if you want to run it on GPU or CPU, and which runtime, is it float 16 or float 32 or integer 8, and which model you want to use, medium, large, tiny, small, or which one. All these configurations are explained here with examples. So let's show a demo. So I have here a video. This video is in Japanese, and we will try to watch it in English subtitles in real time. So the first step is to access the executable directory. Then you can open a command line and download the stream using Streamlink, and select the best quality and save that to a video.mp4. Now the downloading start, and we can see here the video.mp4. That should be specified here as stated. Now we can run the transcriber.exe. So it is loading the large v3 model as specified. This model, if you run that script, if you run that executable for the first time, it will download the models using the Hugging Face hub and save them to the .cache in the user. So it will be saved in that path. So here the user, then the name of the user, cache, and the Hugging Face, and you will find them here, like the v3 large and the medium. Once they are downloaded, you don't have to download them each time you run the tool. Now we can see here that it has started, then transcribe, and then save. Now it is waiting. It is waiting for the video to be long enough, so it will continue the transcription and the translation. So we can now use the player. So here is the video, and it is in the original subtitles since we didn't activate the translation. So this is the video. If you want to activate translation, we can just turn off the transcriber. You have to delete the captions and you start it again, but before that you have to specify that you want to translate to English. Then we can run it again. So after running that, we will see that there is a caption file here with the English subtitles instead of the Japanese, and we can then run the player, and here is the video with the English subtitles instead of the original language, which is Japanese. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it useful. You will find all the links in the description, and see you next time.